Yun nga, syempre guys, kakain na tayo for today's video. Sarap guys, kain.
A few moments later. 2,000 years later.
Guys, tapos na tayo kumain. Halina at magdadaig naman. Guys. Dadaig tayo. Yan, tayagin natin guys. Yun nga guys, tapos na ako magdayag. See you next video. Thank you very much.